Hello to Car Garbage Garage. So today I'm gonna make an auxiliary connection to my other garbage car, Chrysler Town Country. Manufacturing date is 2002, and this will help me. Like, I have this CD changer mounted in my car, but you know, discs are updated and obsolete today, so I need that auxiliary connection for a Bluetooth or for a phone connection via phone cable or whatever. So it's gonna be a simple one, I think. We'll see. So we have a table of connection here. So like you can see, I'm gonna use an audio, like the first pin audio right, fifth one audio left, and sixth one audio ground. And these gonna be like here, first, fifth, and sixth. So on this plug here is gonna be that gray one, green one, and yeah, that the yellow stripe. So if you want to make this, like, if you don't want to lose your CD thing, ignore this one. That's the old stuff. So if you want to don't lose your ability to play your CD changer, so you need that, like some kind of switch, like a stereo switch for 3.5 millimeter jack. But you know, as I told, I don't have any CDs because I think they are obsolete. So I'm gonna just cut the stereo, like left and right wires, and I'm gonna leave like a CD here spinning, but making no sound to my head unit, and that's gonna be done by like my phone or whatever. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna cut some wires here, and as I told, those here, like a green one and the green and the gray one. So yeah, just that, cut them, and that's it. I'm cutting these like closer to actual cable, because I'm gonna as always leave as much as possible near the plug. And, okay, and that's like black and brown colors, I guess, here, like a ground one. But yeah, I'm gonna just strip the ground one and connect the other one to this like soldering way. That's it. So yeah, I'll show you soon. So ain't pretty, but that's it. These are two off. This is like right, this is left, and this is ground. I'm just gonna need to tape that up, and I'm gonna use a rubber tape like this. This is not the regular PVC one, so let's see. It's basically a rubber tape that doesn't stick to anything but just itself. So yeah, and it's like that. You wrap things around it, and that's a great stuff for electric work. Yep, so that's it. This is a hacked up 3.5 millimeter jack connection, and yeah, and that's wrapped around plug connection. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the three-way split connection here. I'm gonna connect one side to this Bluetooth. Let's say it's like transmitter or receiver, whatever it has like that 3.5 connection here, so we're gonna connect that. We're gonna feed that with electricity, and we're gonna leave it somewhere inside of car. And the car basically will have like a Bluetooth connection. And the one, another one I'm gonna put on the dashboard, and you can put a direct input for a better sound quality. That's it. Let's try to to plug it into the car. So here's my finished setup. This is the connection for a audio auxiliary plug-in. The CD is spinning. Yep, and the phone is playing, and the Bluetooth thing is over there. So whenever I want, I can play it via Bluetooth or via phone, and everything works as usual. Just don't have a CD changer, which one I don't need. So I'm pretty happy with this for this time. Woohoo! See you next time.